So today we're going to teach you how to turn something like this into something like this. Okay, so basically what you want to do, you want to come down to the left side here, press add a new scene. We'll call this webcam preview. And then in the middle here, add new source, go video capture device, and we'll call this webcam, add new source, then select your webcam here and press OK. And it should pop up like this. If it's like not full screen, what you can do, press properties on your webcam here in the middle, your resolution type, press custom, and then select your screen size. So mine's 1920 by 1080. I'm going to select that. That's for the resolution. Make sure that's the right size. You can press transform, like right click it, press transform, and go fit to screen. And it should go full screen here in the canvas. Now come down to the left side here, right click it, press create scene projector, and that'll give you a screen like this. And then the white text here, come over it and double click it, and that'll make it like actually full screen on your screen. So once you've got this, move your mouse out of the way, press print screen to take a screen capture. And then what you want to do is open up Photoshop. File, create a new thing, call it a thing, 1920 by 1080 because that's my screen size. Make sure you got your correct screen size in here. Make sure you got pixels selected. Press OK. Create a new layer, delete the background layer, and paste in your webcam photo here. Now once you've got this, press P, and that will make sure that you've got the pen tool selected, and you can left click over here and start selecting. So I want to cut my couch out, right? So I'm going to select my couch. I'm going to come up here, just left click around, and it will create like a nice little cutout thing. Now if you want to get to curves, you can hold down left click, and it will create like a little ball that you can drag out, and that will basically, that'll judge where the curve is curving from basically. So if I go back here, the curve's going to go that way. If I go here, the curve's going to go that way. So I want to go around the middle, just make a nice gentle curve there. Hold down Alt, and then left click the vertice, like the main vertice, and that'll allow you to continue on. Now keep going through. I'm just going to do a rough outline here. Hold left click again, drag it out, make a nice curve there. Hold down Alt, left click the vertice, and I'll keep going through. It doesn't have to be perfect. Go here, and then we're going to combine the shape up there. Make sure you come back to your last vertice. So I'm just going to cut it out like that. And what you're going to do, come up here to selection, press left click selection and press OK, and that'll basically give you a nice like solid cutout of the shape. Now what you want to do is you want to go to select, press inverse. Basically you want to delete this outside layer here. So delete all of that, then go back to select here. Select inverse again, so you've got basically back to where you were before. Then come here onto the right side where the layers are, press blending options. Make sure you've got color overlay selected. Make sure you've got black selected, opacity to 100, and press OK. And that will paint the couch in black basically. Well, whatever you're trying to keep in the camera, you want black. So once you've got that, that's basically what our end product is. So we go to export, export as. Make sure it's a PNG, transparency selected. Just double checking again, I've got 1920 by 1080, scale 100, everything's good. Export that, we'll put that on my desktop. Just if you call it couch mask, I've got one there already, just for, I was doing this before, it's fine. So you've got that there, that's great. Now we close it out, doesn't matter about saving it. Okay, now come back to your webcam. Now what you can do, on your full screen one, just to test it out, right click it, go filters, press the little add button here, go down, find image mask, and then browse to your couch mask. Now it's going to be black here until you select here and go alpha channel. See what that's done there? That's basically bang. That's how you do it there. So now for demonstration's sake, when I add my filter in here, say I've done it already on here, right? If you're not happy with, like, say you've missed a little bit down here and you're not happy, you can also hold down Alt and Control, and you can resize the window, and it basically just crops it. It's a nice little handy SLOBS tip for those that don't know. Alt and Control, make that there. That's nice there. I can make him a little bigger if I wanted to. Boom, baby. There you go. And that's how you basically cut anything out without using a green screen. And this can be done in most programs. Really, anything that you can add an image mask to as a filter on a webcam, it can be done with. But right now I'm using SLOBS, and this works 100% fine for me. So yeah, tune in next time, and I'll give you some more secrets